Hello students, hope you all are good at your home. In this video, we are going to discuss your holiday homework of SST for class 4th. So let's start with your first assignment, that is chapter 4, the Southern Plateau. What is a plateau or tableland? A plateau is an area of flat land that is higher than the land around it. Name the highest waterfall in India, and the answer is Jog Falls. What is the climate of Plateau region? The Plateau region is very hot and humid in summer and warm in winter in most of the parts. Name some rivers of the Plateau region. Rivers Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi and Narmada. Which rivers are seasonal rivers? Depends on monsoon rains. Plateau rivers are seasonal rivers which depends on monsoon rains. Name the occupations of the people of Plateau region, and the answer is agriculture and mining. Which is the highest peak of Eastern Ghats? And the answer is Mahendragiri. Which is the second highest peak of the Western Ghat? That is Doda Betta. Differentiate between the Himalayan rivers and the Plateau rivers. Himalayan rivers and Plateau rivers. Himalayan rivers are larger than the Plateau rivers. The Plateau rivers are smaller than the Himalayan rivers. Himalayan rivers are not seasonal rivers and do not depend on monsoon rain. Plateau rivers are seasonal rivers which depends on monsoon rains. Himalayan rivers continue to flow in every season. Plateau rivers dry up during summer, and the example of Himalayan rivers are Ganga and Yamuna, and Plateau rivers example Betwa and Soni. And our second assignment, chapter 5, the coastal plain and island. The first question is, name the three divisions of western coastal plain. Konkan coast, Kanara coast and Malabar coast. Name the two islands of India. The two islands of India are, the first one is Andaman and Nicobar and the second one is Lakshadweep. Name the states along the coastal plains. States along the coastal plains are Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal. Name the meeting place of Eastern coastal plain and Western coastal plain, and the answer is Kanyakumari. How is the climate of coastal plains? The coastal plains of Peninsular have a tropical humid climate. Name some major ports of the western coast, and the answer is Kochi, Mangalore, Calicut, Mumbai and Kandla. What is the major occupation of the people on the west coast? And the answer is fishing. Which city is known as the Queen of Arabian Sea? Kochi in Kerala is known as the Queen of Arabian Sea. Name the longest beach in the world, and the answer is Marina Beach in Chennai. Our third assignment, chapter 6, the desert land of India. And the first question, describe the climate of desert. The desert has a very hot and dry in summer and very cold in winter. And the second question is, write some famous folk dances of Rajasthan, Kalibelia and Ghumar. Write some important festivals of Rajasthan, Teej, Gangaur Mela and Pushkar Mela. Define oasis. The area where water is found in a desert is called oasis. Which animal is called the sheep of the desert? And the answer is camel. Which lake is the largest salt water lake in India? That is Sambhar Lake. What do people wear on their heads in the desert? And the answer is turbans. What type of clothes the people of the desert region wear? Men wear dhotis, kurtas and turbans, and women wear bright colored ghagras and choli with old knees. Name the canal which has recently developed for agriculture in Rajasthan, and the name of the canal is Indira Gandhi Canal. What type of vegetation is found in the desert region? Cactus, date palms. Thank you.